There is a maxim in the world of mobility that goes like this. You get from your body what you ask of it, but nothing more. So it's imperative to ask the right questions.
Sitting for long hours at a desk can really limit how much mobility and how much movement we get at the shoulder. This can play havoc on in our life because we don't have enough mobility or enough strength to pull our hands overhead to one when we're training, or even if we're reaching up for something or playing with our kids or doing anything sort of sport on the weekend. Shoulder mobility, if it's lacking, really doesn't give us a lot of options to move. Following on from the assessment in our previous video, here is a quick 2-minute stretch that you can do using nothing but a wall in order to get some real length through your lats and some ability to get your hands behind your head. We've always said the problem isn't necessarily sitting down, it's just spending so much time in this one position and shape that we don't explore the myriad of options that we have available for our body. So we want to be able to put our hands up above, behind our head, back behind our body as often as possible as an antidote to the crumpled up prawn-like position that we do when we sit a lot. So this quick stretch here, put your hands on the wall, drop your feet back a little bit, and all we're going to do is called a pull-over stretch. I want you just to drop your head and your chest down, sink and collapse your body down here, and feel a really big stretch through your lats and your shoulders there. And we're going to hold this between 30 and 60 seconds, and then slowly come back out of it. 2 to 3 sets each day. Going to give you much relief in your shoulders.
The body's not going to allocate resources to something you never do. It's the attempt that keeps those movement pathways open. It doesn't matter if you're successful or not at first. Do your best to work your way towards success, but the attempt is just as important.